potential showdown between the judiciary and the executive averted. The Supreme Court on Wednesday took note of a chapter in the NCERT social science textbook for class 8th that dealt with judiciary. The chapter highlights judicial corruption, pending cases and shortage of judges as challenges faced by judiciary. The Chief Justice of India, Surya Kant, observed it appeared to be a calculated move and added that the court will not allow anyone to defame the judiciary. Justice Joy Malia Bagchi observed the book goes against the basic structure itself. Government sources say the chapter will be removed, citing its unbalanced portrayal of judiciary. This isn't NCERT's first brush with the courts, but the response has rarely been this swift. In December 2021, Class 12 History chapter mentioned Shah Jahan and Aurangzeb funding temples. The Delhi High Court dismissed the case after petitioners withdrew it. The same year, the NCERT faced accusations of glorifying Mughal rulers. The Rajasthan lower court issued a notice but took no further action. Many past challenges to NCERT content were dismissed. While this time the government is likely to withdraw the textbook, it doesn't mean the judiciary is free from either backlog or corruption. Judges have faced corruption allegations, but action is often delayed. One recent case, Justice Yashwant Verma, a High Court judge, at whose official residence bundles of cash were allegedly found.
A calculated, deep-rooted decision to malign the image of the judiciary, especially in the eyes of children. Now, with the court taking suo motu cognizance and both bar and the bench coming out very, very strongly against this new chapter that has been added to the Class 8 textbook, it remains to be seen what action will the government now take or what explanation will be given to the Supreme Court on this.